Hello and welcome to MZ Academy. This is Zahra and today we're going to be making a mini notebook with only one sheet of paper. So let's begin. First we're going to be cutting this piece of paper into fourths. Now that we have cut this paper into 4 pieces, we will be taking one of these. We will be taking this and folding it this way. And then we're going to be folding it again. And we're going to be folding it the 3rd time. And then we do the same with the rest of them. And then we're going to be unfolding all of them. Now that we have all of these guys unfolded, we're going to put glue at the ends of them so that they make a long chain. Okay guys, this is the final product. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Please like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends and family.